Chef Arjun and Chef Mira embark on a journey across India, exploring diverse flavors and traditional recipes. In Punjab, they savor the rich, buttery taste of makki di roti and sarson da saag, prepared by a local family. Further south in Kerala, they marvel at the complexity of spices in a traditional sadhya feast on banana leaves. In West Bengal, Chef Mira learns the art of making succulent rosagola, capturing the sweetness of Bengali culture. Their adventure culminates in a grand feast, showcasing India's culinary diversity and celebrating its rich traditions.